Today I'm going to be reviewing Sharp Pebble. This is it right here. Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Really nice kit here. I want to thank them for sending this to me to review. As you can see there, you got everything in there that you need. This is actually what it looks like right here with the power cord at the end. No more hand sharpening your chainsaws. This makes it easy. You get 4 bits right there. Come like this right here. Get this angle tool that comes on. I'm going to show you how it all kind of works and comes together. You got this, and you got a little wrench on the end. So when you're putting these on, there's a little bit of a learning curve. It's not too difficult, but you can take, for instance, this piece off here, the angle attachment. It just unscrews like this. And then there's another piece on there. You just take that off right there. And it's going to come with this on there. So if you just don't need that, then you can just put this on and screw it on. Now to change the bits, you can see that there. To change the bits, same type of idea. This is going to come, they just fit down in here. You lock it on the side here. So this obviously is going to spin, but you got to get it where it locks in place. And then you can start to undo this part right here. You're gonna have to undo this, untighten it like that. Once it's loose, you can go like that, and you'll be able to unscrew this little piece here. And once that is off, then you can see what you got right here. See right there? That comes out. There's a piece inside here, right there, that fits into there. And then the bit just sits inside. So if I get a different bit here, I'm gonna go ahead and just right here, slide that in there like that. All right, so it's gonna look like the other end's gonna kind of look like that. And then you're gonna put it right here. You're gonna go in and you're gonna spin it. You're gonna push it down in there, kind of adjust a little bit. But then this is where you're gonna wanna lock this again right here, because this thing's gonna spin. You want it to lock, you're gonna be able to tighten it. And then again, you'll go ahead and just take this and on here, whoops. Just give it that little turn to make it tight. And now you've changed the bit, and now it spins. Different speeds on there, very easy to use. You can see right here, on and off button. So like I said, a little bit of a learning curve on putting this on, but once you get it, it's really easy. Now they've got videos. They also have pictures. It comes with everything that you need to know to learn how to actually sharpen it. I'm not gonna be able to teach you on this, but there you go. Really nice unit, very substantial. It does really well. I mean, 4.4 stars, almost 3,500 reviews. And last month, October 2025, over 1,000 of these bought. So you know people are liking it. It's an Amazon choice. So you can't go wrong with this. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.